Soil's absolutely vital to a farmer. If you're a painter, you need your canvas. If you're a farmer, you need your soil. And if you don't look after it, then you won't have healthy crops. So healthy soil, healthy crops. It's as simple as that. This soil looks really healthy, and I'll show you why. So here at the top straight away, we can see we've got worms in here. So as a farmer, I'd say it's really friable. And if we've had about half an inch of rain in the last 72 hours. So you can see the soil is actually, it's not cloddy and wet because it's draining nice and freely. You can see a nice big worm coming out the bottom there.
So what I'd like to talk about with you guys now is soil nutrition. We take each field and we break them down into zones. So in this field, it's got 3 zones. Zone A, Zone B, Zone C. It only requires nutrient applied in Zone A and Zone C. This part of the field will actually not need anything spread. Once the soil analyses have come through for each zone in each field, that information is uploaded on the farm computer onto a USB stick, which slots into the computer on the tractor. And then the two here, the tractor and the fertiliser spreader, which is this green machine here, they communicate with one another. So this piece of equipment here allows us to apply the nutrients, the plant food, to the crops at variable rates. It's done this by a satellite which is up on the roof of the tractor here, and that communicates a signal through to the machine behind me. Why do we do that? Well, it saves us money ultimately, because we're only applying the right amount of nutrient to that field, to that crop within that certain section of each field. And secondly, it's doing the right thing.
So here we are stood in front of our seed drill. This is the machine that we use for planting seeds. It's folded up at the moment so that you can see that these tips here are the parts of the machine that go under the ground and place the seed. This is a special kind of seed drill. In the past, we traditionally ploughed the land or turned the soil over. It's been discovered over recent years that by turning the soil upside down, we're actually destroying the natural flora and fungi of that soil, and it takes about 6 months for that to rebuild within the crop. Whereas if we use this type of machine, which disturbs the soil less, that flora and fauna is already there, available for the next crop, and actually we're working with nature rather than against it.